Hello friends. Welcome to channel Apple Guruji. This video shows how to jailbreak iPhone 7 Plus, running on iOS 13.3.1. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to see all technical videos related to Apple devices. Download and install the Checkra1n jailbreaking tool. It is completely free of cost. Open the Checkra1n tool and connect your phone to the Mac. You can see that it shows device name and iOS version. Just click on Start the jailbreaking process and follow this video carefully. Do not miss any step. Now just put the device into DFU mode. Follow the on-screen instruction and hold the power and volume down together. Let go of the power button after about 8 seconds but keep pressing the volume down button. Now the device is in DFU mode. The jailbreak will now install automatically. You can see the installation process on the screen of your phone. Once it says all done, on the Checkra1n app, just open your device and navigate to Checkra1n application. Open and then tap on Cydia to install Cydia. Once Cydia is installed, open it and click on the upgrade button as shown in this video. After the respring, your device is now completely jailbroken. You can access and use all the jailbreak tweaks and tools to make admin-level changes in your phone. You can use the jailbreak to improve the performance on your device. Even battery efficiency can be increased too. If you want to know how to do all those, please inform me in the comments below. I'll make a video based on your requests. Please give a thumbs up button if you liked this video. Hit the subscribe button to watch our videos as soon as it's uploaded. See you in my next video. Take care.